Anurag sir, I would like to come to you first, and I had been working on this questionnaire, and I thought I should ask you this question first. That you are a Quentin Tarantino, Martin Scorsese, Wes Anderson, Steven Spielberg, all into one.
I am me.
All into one. India's, only answer. But there are not many like you. Probably you are the only one who can be called an auteur in that sense. Why do you think that India lacks in this auteur kind of, filmmakers when there are so many in the world, but not in India?
नहीं आई थिंक देयर आर मतलब आई थिंक हम लोग उसकी डेफिनेशन ऑथर की लिमिटेड कर देते हैं यार राजा मौली इज एन ऑथर वेट्रीमारन इज एन ऑथर लीजो इज वन हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत सारे हैं चेतन तमान चैतन्य तमान है यंग लॉर्ड्स में वासन बाला श्रीराम राघवन को भी मैं मानता हूँ मैं तो डेविड धवन के बारे में मैंने लिखा था कि ही इज अ ट्रू ऑथर ऑफ दैट
I totally agree, but they haven't been able to project themselves in a global arena like you have.
दे डोंट वांट टू
Okay.
सी इट इज वेरी मेरे को एक पॉइंट पे लगता था इतना सारा सिनेमा जो बनता है साउथ से लोग ट्रैवल क्यों नहीं करते हैं मैं जब वेटरी से और सबसे दोस्तों से बात किया तो उन्होंने कहा यार नहीं हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स घबरा जाते हैं पहली बार जब वेटरी ने विसार नहीं बनाई तो मैंने कहा यार उसने फिल्म दिखाता है मेरे को ही शोज में हिज फिल्म्स अर्लियर आई शो हिम माय फिल्म्स ही इज अ फ्रेंड ही समबडी आई एडमायर आई सेड इफ योर प्रोड्यूसर देयर वाज धनुष धनुष सेड ओके वी विल होल्ड ऑन टू द फिल्म हम फिल्म बनते ही रिलीज करते हैं प्रोड्यूसर को लगता है पायरेट हो जाएगी बिकॉज ही हेल्ड ऑन टू द फिल्म एंड वी शोड द फिल्म विसार ने वाज पिक्ड अप लाइक दैट बाय वेनिस and that also gave confidence to Lijo when I saw Angamali. I said, Lijo, do you know how good your film is and how your films can travel?
Wow.
और फिर हम लोग ने उसको भी होल्ड बैक किया जल्लीकट्टू लेके हम गए बाहर जल्लीकट्टू played everywhere. So I'm saying it is not about that. Now I think they gotten confident. Now everybody is sending films. So it depends entirely. उनका एक fear था of piracy. Films there are funded by private people. They think ये पिक्चर लीक हो जाएगी पैसा रिकवर नहीं होगा तो ये और बहुत सारा मिसकंसेप्शन भी है चीज़ों के बारे में I'm saying लोग से फॉर एग्जांपल आरआरआर को ऐसे देखा ही नहीं कभी किसी ने कि ये फिल्म जो है ट्रैवल कर सकती है एंड आई सॉ ईगा एंड आई रिमेंबर स्पीकिंग टू राजा मौली एंड आई सेड ईगा कैन ट्रैवल एंड वी पुश्ड ईगा टू ट्रैवल एंड जॉश राजा मौली सन टू ईगा टू कैन वहाँ से जाके हमने पिच करना चालू किया मैंने कहा हर तरह की ऑडियंस है और जॉनर सिनेमा की ऑडियंस है ये है लोग हम लोग फिल्म को ना एक कैटेगरी में बांध देते हैं ये हमारा इंडिजिनस सिनेमा है हमारे इंडिजिनस सिनेमा की सबसे बड़ी वॉइस राजा मौली है तो वो अपने आप में पूरी तरह एक ऑथर है और उसकी फिल्म को ट्रैवल करना चाहिए जो कर रही है आई हैड जर्मन फिल्म मेकर्स बेल्जियन फिल्म मेकर्स कम टू इंडिया while RRR was being shot हैरी कुमेल एंड पीपल लाइक दैट वो ब्लड फॉर ड्रैकुला ये सब बना है वी वांट टू मीट राजा मौली आई हैड टू कॉल हिम अप he welcomed them with open hands they spent days with him on his sets so which I'm saying people don't know these things
Also, a follow-up question to this, when you are in Europe, I know you are a star, big star, when you are, on the Cannes red carpet, like you are really big in that sense.
do you know which Hindi film is so big with filmmakers and festivals worldwide there's also a book called the greatest worldwide the greatest films of the world in the same list as Wong Kar-wai and everything is Om Shanti
I'm sure.
it is there in that book pictorial book it's a massive book there
So just to come to that idea, like when you are, in Europe, and I think you have also touched upon it that the director is really the star, in a European sense. But in India, that changes a little. Even though you have still been, a star in so many ways because you have been very vocal, fighting battles like with Urta Punjab, and every time you have been vocal, helping filmmakers. Even when there is some allegations for plagiarism, like with the case with Newton, you came to the forefront. You got that filmmaker to, and all of that, but still do you still feel that this is a long way to go wherein the director can really be that that front face when it comes to projecting?
I never wanted to be the face I am just a massive cinephile and I love films I love films and I love filmmakers and everything that happens after that is organic and there are people who love films the same way Vasan Bala Sriram Raghavan they love films the same way and they love every good film and they love everybody's films so they're like very very secure in their love for cinema for everyone और ऐसे लोग हैं मतलब कई लोग हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ एब्जॉर्ब रहते हैं जो अपनी फिल्म के बियॉन्ड कुछ नहीं देखते, बट हैं लोग, वासन ना वासन है, मुझे तो लगता है वासन इज गोइंग टू बी द वही विग मोटवानी है, दे चैंपियन फिल्म्स, एंड you'll see the change happening soon.
Speaking of Motwane, do you miss Phantom?
No, not at all. I miss the dream that we had of Phantom, but I think that success changes things. When something becomes much more successful than it is meant to be, and then interests come in, it's like just बाहर से चीज़ें जब तक इंडिपेंडेंट रहती है ना, वो बहुत सुंदर रहती है. फिर क्या होता है, फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट आते हैं, फिर लोग सब कुछ. फैंटम के लिए पैशन फॉर सिनेमा क्या था, क्यों खत्म हुआ?
I think Neeraj and you made friends through that, you know.
एवरीबडी, आई मेट एवरीवन, चैतन्य, वासन, नीरज, गेवान, सोमेन मिश्रा, ये सारी दुनिया मुझे वहाँ पे मिली है. ये सारे मेरे दोस्त बने पीएफसी में, सब सब वहीं से आए हैं. बट वो ख़त्म क्यों हुआ? एक इंडिविजुअल के एम्बिशन से, इन्वेस्टमेंट ढूंढना है, ये करना वो करना है, फिर वो रायता फैल जाता है. वो जो वेरी पर्पस फॉर विच यू स्टार्ट समथिंग गेट्स लॉस्ट. That's why I'm very scared of ambition. I don't have my no ambition.
Having achieved so much, you know, probably you are in a position to say that. But I want to come to you, Karan, you know, because I can see this, you know, vibrant poster, and there's so much happening in this poster, and I saw the trailer also. Like, tell us a little, you know, about what it is all about, and how do you see it, you know, because you have assisted Sir also, and you have assisted others also, and you have now been an actor also. So what has been the journey like, and what we can expect from this film before I come to, you know, his understanding of what he has put together?
Yeah, it all started with making short films. My friends and I made short films together because somebody wanted to be a director, actor, producer, writer, everything. So we came together and we started making short films, and we put one of them on YouTube, where Anurag's daughter Alia saw it, and she showed it to him. Yeah,
My daughter showed me.
yeah. So liked it, and I remember, like, I'm telling people this a lot, but I was in the bathroom when I received a message from Alia saying that, hey, we just watched your short film, and Dad really loved it. He would love to meet you. So I just ran out of the bathroom and went to my friends and told everybody. So then I went and met Sir. Um, I think he had different ideas at that time. They didn't work out, but Sir put me through a lot of workshops. I did a lot of workshops with different people.
Emotional, physical,
Theatrical,
theatrical.
every kind.
I think he does that a lot. He did with that with Vineet also, you know, and a lot of other.
So you prep somebody for the world ना. एक फिल्म करेंगे, उसके बाद इनको जाके दुनिया में नेविगेट करना है. वहाँ पे सामने क्या है, लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि ये आ गया, तैयार माल आया है और इसको साथ अब फिल्म बनाते हैं. So they don't really invest in people and
Yeah.
so है. तो अभी मैंने इसको यही बोला था, अभी जब रिलीज डिले थी, he again did one massive workshop.
Yeah.
I said अभी क्या करूँ, मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं, before the release do workshops, because after release people will consume your time.
Yeah.
Working on oneself is the most important thing,
best
and he's
thing.
been doing that.
Best thing. Even now, like, I'm not able to do classes right now, but they're still on. I'm doing classes every day, and I'm going to be doing them every day. But yeah, Sir also made me go through a lot of like parkour karaya apne. Horse riding
I'm
भी कराया.
I'm hard.
Yeah, hard.
It's like, it's not मतलब, I love them, but yeah, I can be.
Yeah, you beat them.
I
also.
expect a lot, and because then when they also give back, then I stand by them and I fight for them a lot.
You have been a star maker, you know. There's so many, you know, so many names, you know. I can go, and I think there are lists also. I've seen lists on memes on internet, which talk about how, you know, Anurag Kashyap, you know, gave them the break, and rest is history.
हाँ, because see, I find talented people. It's like हम लोग जब आए थे, हम लोग को लगता था हम बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, लेकिन कोई हमें उठाता क्यों नहीं. I find good people and I leave them. I don't make them stars. They become stars because of later. They become stars when somebody else also picks them.
Even if I go back much earlier, KK Menon, last into Mahakali, that is such a great role, you know, to give some actor at that point in time, and it really, you know.
He was also my teacher in a way in theater. जब मकरंद देशपांडे की शूटिंग हो रही होती थी तो केके हमसे रिहर्सल कराता था. Of course, I knew what it is. I had a drive of, like, at that time, to go and get films made. My ambition was not to become anything. And it's also very it also I inculcate things in them, so he is now prepared for the world. I said जिस दिन film release हुई मैं नहीं रहने वाला, you're on your own. Now he has to navigate through the world, but it's like you prepare them for what they don't have. और कुछ
Coming to this film, Anurag sir, ये कैसे, how did it come together? Almost प्यार with DJ मोहब्बत, इसका क्या thought था?
ये over a period of time होता है. एक आइडिया था दिमाग में, दो कहानियां कहेंगे, सेम एक्टर्स के साथ कहेंगे, उतना ही तक सीमित था. उसका रीज़न था कि हम लोग अक्सर कई चीज़ें देखते हैं कि शहर में अलग होती है, गांव में अलग होती है, चाहे सिमिलर. मेरा ये था कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. कहीं ना कहीं एक चीज़ जो है ना, जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, जो बाधाएं आती हैं, अलग फॉर्म में आती हैं, लेकिन सोर्स एक ही होता है. क्योंकि मैं उस जनरेशन से हूँ जहाँ पे हमें अपनी कंडीशनिंग को उतारने में बहुत समय लगा. तो इट वाज बिल्ट अराउंड दैट कंडीशनिंग ऑफ माय जनरेशन. लेकिन स्टोरीज टोल्ड थ्रू पीपल हु सफर आर कंडीशनिंग. हम अपने माँ बाप के पेट्रियार्की से जो हम डील करते हैं, उनके एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो डील करते हैं. लेकिन वो एक ज़माने में था कि अपने टीनेज के स्ट्रगल्स को डालूंगा स्क्रीन पे. फिर तब तक बेटी बड़ी होगी, बेटी 18 साल की होगी. जब बेटी 18 साल की होगी और सवाल पूछने लगी तो ये हो गया कि यार मैं अपनी कहानी कहने का फ़ायदा क्या है, अभी ज़माना बदल गया. ये उनकी उनकी दुनिया है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट देयर जनरेशन एंड व्हाट दे आर फेसिंग विद अस.
Just a couple of small more questions. First is कि थोड़ा सा समझना चाहता हूँ, is there any association in the bigger way with Dev D and Manmarziyan? Because a lot of people are making the comparison because of course Vicky is there and you know the idea.
हाँ, विकी इज प्लेइंग डीजे मोहम्मद and Vicky played DJ Sands in Manmarziya.
Yeah.
So generally it's like DJ Mohammed is a very mature, wise man. DJ Sands wasn't. So that is the only thing.
And Dev D के साथ कुछ connection?
What Devdi was trying to do for, हाँ, thematic level पे नहीं. What Devdi was trying to do for his generation, this film is speaking for now generation. Devdi was also based on truths from the newspapers. चाहे वो BMW केस था, चाहे वो DPS केस था, वो सब. Devdi was also borrowing from things happening around that time. This film also borrows from what's happening and truths and things which are spread around in this generation.
And lastly, Anurag sir, बहुत सारी आपकी और projects lined up हैं, people are talking about it. थोड़ा सा if you could touch a little bit.
I think I had a film which was been in the making, a short film, Charles Chaplin, that premiered at Rotterdam yesterday. It will probably, it's a short film. It'll probably come out on some platform later. And the short film was commissioned from Jajanke, so वो डिसीजन उनके हाथ में कहाँ पे आएगी, कैसे आएगी, वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. और एक और फिल्म है जो मेरी अगली ख़त्म हो गई है, वो जब समय आएगा तब उसके बारे में बात करूँगा. बिकॉज यू नो वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू, and everything is done and ready, and then it's important to talk, because I've also learned from mistakes in the past where you know the most important thing that you hold for a film is surprise. The moment this film came out, right, people were like, "ये कब बनाई?" Right, and that surprise works. Now imagine if this film we started shooting in 2019. Had I announced this film in 2019, as 4 years, people don't know what we have gone through in trying to put it together and the reasons. By now, people would say, "Arey, it's a stale film." So I think I take a lot of time in post production. People don't know I took 9 months in post production in Devdi. I took 15 months in post production in Gangs of Wasseypur. लोग क्या शूटिंग खत्म होती है 2 महीने में रिलीज कर देते हैं. मेरे लिए साउंड, everything has to be seamless. So I work a lot. बट पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन जब चल रहा होता है उसमें उस बीच में साइमल्टेनियसली या तो एक फिल्म लिख रहा होता हूँ और दूसरी शूट भी कर रहा होता हूँ. तो which has been my process for a long time.
It's been absolute pleasure, Anurag sir, and best wishes, you know, for this and for all your upcoming projects. And I'm so happy that you are back, you know, donning the director's hat once again. And we want you to keep on doing this, you know, for as long as you know we are in exist in on this planet.
I've gone back to the writing table. Now I'm back on the writing table and directing my own stuff.
Just like the good old days.
Yeah, and also finally, it's also thank you for I'm meeting you finally, because I can now put a face to the name. I've been reading you for a very long time, so
No, your work has really inspired me, because there was a point in time I had taken a complete break from Bollywood and I would only watch, you know, Kurosawa, Fellini, and but your work brought me back, you know, and it made me fall in love with Bollywood again, you know. So